What's up, guys? Today is April the 26th.
Yep.
And then I just want to give y'all a little update on the the apartment. So I told y'all in the last video a little bit about it. That they are going to be upgrading their apartments there. And it won't be done until next month. I don't know when next month, but they said that it'll be done until next month. So this month is almost over. It got 4 days left until May the 1st. And I did went up there and see what they already got going on, what they done, whatever. And I didn't really see anybody working or anything, but I did see some apartment areas that hasn't been touched. I'll say hasn't been touched, and yeah, needed a little upgrade on it. But hopefully they get that done soon, cause I'm ready to move. I'm so ready to move. So ready to get my own place. So yeah, guys, that's a little update on the apartment. On the last video when I showed y'all the hoodie, my hoodie, I went to my friend's house, and the first person that saw my hoodie was my niece. I was like, dang, I didn't even get my camera out or nothing to record it. Like, she saw it automatically. But she was the first person, and then my mom. And she said that she liked it. She loved it. And she told me that she wanted a shirt too, just like it. What it said on the back, but I guess on the front it'll say like support or whatever. So let people know that she's supported me. Hold on, baby. But yeah, she said that she don't mind having a shirt made like that too, for to support whatever. I was like, okay, I'll think about it. But yeah, so that's another upgrade on that too. Also, guys, next month on the 10th is my niece's birthday, his blood cousin birthday. But her birthday party won't be we won't have her birthday party until the 11th, even though her birthday is on the 10th. So, and as far as I know, I talked to her mom. She told me that they're probably just gonna go to the park, whatever, and do it that way. I don't know what type of food they're gonna be getting, whatever, but I'm gonna try to go. We are gonna try to go. And yeah, I don't know what the theme is. I guess it doesn't have a theme of the party. Y'all get what I'm saying? But I'm gonna try my best to find some things, some food, and I thought about making a shirt or a jacket for her to wear more often. And I was thinking about putting her dad's face on probably a hoodie or a jacket, whatever. Maybe that'll be better. I don't know, but anyways, I'm debating. But don't do that. Oh, I thought you had a lid off. Anyways, so yeah, I was planning on putting her dad's face on the t-shirt or jacket, whatever, and put some words on it, like probably like happy birthday baby girl, or if I remember, he used to call her Mo. That was one of her, I think, one of her nicknames that he called her, Mo. And Vicky. That's another one. Or V. Hold on, baby, let me talk. Or V. Yeah, something like that, y'all. And yeah, guys, I'm just gonna put, I don't know, I want to put something on it. I want to say something on it to remind her of him, of course, and for her to keep to forever. I really want to get her like something big, cause I want to give her something big so she can wear it all the time. But I know she can't wear it at this age because she's small and she's not like grown yet or whatever. So I don't know, y'all. No, give me that. That's mine. You do not do that. Get back in your seat.
Buckle up.
But yeah, guys. Yeah, buckle up.
We're going to wear.
Yeah, guys. But I might just get something for her size. If I'm not mistaken, like, her size is like 6 or 7.
Buckle up, Mike.
But I'm gonna ask just in case. And I'm also ask what other things she might like. I'm gonna try to give her something else other than a shirt. Cause y'all, again, trying to save that moolah, that money, and I'm on a budget. And yeah, so that's pretty much what's going on. One problem though about that is it's gonna fall on the stop, boy. It's making noise, so I can't talk. But 11th falls on Thursday, I think. Yeah, Thursday. And I was thinking about going to the flea market to have it made, but the flea market won't open till the weekends on Saturday and Sunday. So I might, the only other place I can think of is the mall, but I don't know how much it will be. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to figure that out and go to the mall and figure that out before the time comes. But yeah, I'll say I have plenty of time to get this done though. But yeah, that's all I wanted to tell y'all real quick before I get busy. I'm working. So like, comment, and subscribe if you have not done so before I get into this video. And yeah, I'll see y'all in a little bit. So guys, it is Thursday the 22nd, not the 22nd, the 27th. The last clip I didn't really get to really do anything for real, except for, you know, give y'all a little update. I do have a little bit more updates for y'all that I forgot to tell y'all. I found out, I'll say about a week ago, or I'll say I'll say about like 2 weeks ago maybe, I don't know, but just not that long ago. So I told y'all that well, first I want to say my niece's birthday is coming up. I've already told y'all that it's coming on the 11th. Well, her birthday's on the 11th, but her birthday party is on the 11th, if that makes sense. Her birthday is on the 10th, but her but the party would be on the lip. Y'all get the point. Anyways, so like I said, I'm still. Hey, no. What did I tell you? So I told y'all that I'm still gonna get a jacket or a t-shirt for my niece. Having made for her. And I've already told y'all how I wanted to do it. So today is Thursday. And I might change my mind on where I want to do it, because I told y'all that I might do it. Stop. I told y'all I might do it at the mall, but then I might change my mind and just wait until this weekend, because the place won't open till Saturday and Sunday, the weekends. So either this Saturday and Sunday or next Saturday and Sunday before the 11th is when I'm gonna try to have it, you know, get it done, whatever, have it done. So I text my mom about some things, what's going on, the party. So I'm just waiting on her to give me some updates on that. But that's it for right now at that moment at the party situation. Hold on, babe. But other than that, y'all, like I said, I'll say about 2 weeks ago, a week or two, I was debating if I want to say this or not, but I just decided I'm gonna go ahead and just say it. So how can I say this? Okay, so I was in my car one day. I was dropping something off, and I went back into my car, and I was finna get ready to leave. Well, right after I left, my baby daddy's baby mama, she was walking with her 2 kids, down the street or whatever, and yeah, she saw my car. Hold on, baby, stop making sounds. And yeah, she saw my car, so she went towards my car, and she recognized it was me. And so she went closer to my car, and I rolled down her window, of course, and she asked me, do I wanted to let my son to see his sister. And I was like, yeah, sure. So I got a car, and then all of a sudden she started talking about same old stuff, that I'm mad at her because she stole my baby daddy, man, whatever. And again, I kept telling her over and over and over again that I was forced to be with him, didn't want to be with him at all. So whatever they got going on, that's all them. And I don't know if I told you guys this, which I think I should. I think I did, but I'm gonna say it again. This girl, I cannot. This is really embarrassing to say. To me, it's embarrassing. But I want people to know, some people to know, because I want to see if other people is going through the same thing, and if they solved the problem or not, and what they did to solve that problem. So, if that makes sense. So that's why I'm telling y'all this. But anyways, so she was saying that, you know, I was jealous of her, mad at her because about she she took my baby daddy, this and that. And while she was saying all that, I pretty much ended there. He didn't really get to see his sister for that long. Really not long at all. Now I'm in 30 minutes, okay? Now it's less than 30 minutes. Y'all, every time I talk to this girl, or if she even sees me, every time we communicate, that's first thing that comes out of her mouth. First thing that comes out of her mouth. Of me being jealous of her and her baby daddy and this and that. And again, mind y'all, this girl been trying to get close to me, trying to talk to me, trying to be friends with me ever since high school. When we first met, she was in 9th grade. Hold on, babe. She was in 9th grade and I was in 10th grade at the time. And ever since that, like, things just gotten worse and worse, and she been trying to get closer and closer to the point where she's literally following my footsteps, and she's being a stalker at this point. For this many years, I never had this problem before. When it comes to stalking, I have men stalking me, but y'all, I thought men is the worst. When it comes to stalking, I thought men are the worst. No. It's women. It's girls. It's females. They are the worst. They are the worst stalkers than males, I'm telling y'all. Oh my gosh. It don't make no sense. But yeah, so he didn't really get to see his sister for real, at the moment. So I just ended up leaving and, go by my way. Cause listen, if you ain't gonna be mature, if you ain't gonna stop the drama, if you not gonna stop talking about me being jealous and stuff like that, if you won't stop all this negativity, her and my kid will never talk to each other or be around each other like that if she keeps going, And like I said, me and my son is not gonna be around no drama, no problems, nothing. I don't care who it is, nothing. Not with his baby daddy. I mean, not his baby daddy, but my baby daddy. No drama, nothing. I will stay far away from that as possible and stay away. But yeah, so he didn't really get to see his sister for that long. Also, speaking of her, I also found out that she is pregnant again. Same baby daddy, my baby daddy, but yeah, guys. So my son is having another sibling. As far as I know, I don't know if it's true or not, but I heard that she's pregnant again after she had the little girl. So she finna have 3 kids now. Instead of only 2. And my son is not only having a sister, but having another sibling. I'm hoping it's a boy. I'm hoping it's a boy. But if not, it is what it is. But anyways, I did congratulate them or whatever again, and yeah. As soon as the baby come, whatever, make sure I have plenty of videos and pictures to just like I have with his sister. You know, keep on my phone so he can, you know, see what they look like, whatever. But yeah, guys, so those are the little updates. One more update, huh?
I'm thirsty. Let me go pee.
Okay, give me a sec. Okay, so one more update. The moving situation.
Nothing from me.
I might have already told you guys this too, but
Oh yeah. Get back here.
I have told y'all that I am planning on moving April or May, this month in May.
Yes.
But I didn't tell y'all the exact date. So my exact date is, hold on, babe. My exact date is the 18th of May, this month, 18th. And I'm really hoping that the apartments are done about before the 18th. Hopefully the apartments will be done for the 18th. It should, because they said that it. Hush, babe. Hush. He being annoying, y'all. But yeah, they supposed to be finished in May, but the problem is I don't know exactly in May. So like I said, I'm just hoping that they get finished before the 18th this month. Well, not this month, but next month, because it's not May yet. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for right now. And like I said, I might go this weekend or next weekend to make the, like I said, I don't know if I want to make a shirt or a jacket. I don't know. But I'm going to talk to my mom first before I do anything yet, and make sure if they going to still do her party thing exactly how they said they was gonna do it. I just want to make sure I got everything. Oh well, I want to ask everything before I get everything, you know. So I need to do my eyebrows. I got a whole unibrow right here. It's okay, my hair is messed up. I look crazy, but I don't care. Right now it's raining and I'm not trying to look good for nobody. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for right now that I want to give y'all a more update about before we get started on this video. So I'm sorry it's taking too long, but yeah, guys, I'll see y'all in a little bit.
Sister coming to visit today. Also, I really need to get over my obsession with Scott Bale.
Good luck.
Come on, let's finish breakfast so we can clean up before Gwen gets here. God, you always turn into a nervous wreck.
Hey, look, I don't know if you remember, but you picked me up a while back. Look, there's no easy way to...
Touched in 6 years.
Yeah, and you took the $100. No one's a saint here.
Oh my God!
Yeah, well, I'll let you go. You probably have some calls to make yourself. Sorry. This is gonna be a tough one. Carlos, when you were at your cousin's funeral in Valparaiso, I had such a deal.
Francine, Stan's coming home soon. He needs me to be there to greet him. This'll take 1 second.
Opa, Francine! How was the lamb?
Oh, you got the lamb here? I thought it was a little fatty. Hercules, I'm sorry. She doesn't know what she's...
No, she is right. It was not good lamb. I wrestled morally, but the man who brings it is my sister's husband, so I said, show the lamb. You know your lamb, lady. I am Hercules.
I'm Betty.
I would love to talk more about the lamb. Saying over lamb. We're laughing about the lamb. We're living. She said, no deal. And she opened her own case, and inside was only a penny.
No,
Yes, she gave up $70,000.
I would die.
Don't die. Kiss me.
Deal.
Ooh.
Oh my God, they're kissing.
I know.
You ever notice how Rolos make you drool? What's going on?
Stan, now don't be upset, but I set your mother up with Hercules.
No, it's too soon. Poor woman just had her heart broken. Don't you get it? She's as raw as the Wu-Tang Clan like it.
Oh, Francine, Hercules is wonderful. We're going out again tomorrow night. I hope this one sticks.
I hope it does too, Mama. Anything goes wrong with this guy, it's your fault.
Oh, what could go wrong? They're both lonely. They both like each other.
You're a fool, and I'll tell you why. Grandma chase him away, always blows it on the third date.
Look how happy she is. There was a time when you two needed each other, but she's moved on, and you have to do the same. Let her go.
Yep. Especially for Saturday. Just a t-shirt. I ain't gonna love the birds. It's supposed to play with the You want your receipt back? Do I want it back? So guys, I got some stuff for her, but I didn't get everything that I wanted to give her. There was a lot of stuff that I wanted to give her. I'm going to wait on a shirt that I wanted to get made for her, but I think I got everything I want to give her except for maybe two more things or one more thing. I want to give her some flowers too, and something else. Oh, and a balloon. But that'll be next weekend, close to the 11th. Today is the 29th. Sorry guys that this video is just all over the place. I've been talking to y'all, just talking your ears off, and my bad, okay? So yeah guys, just stay tuned. If you have not liked this video, please like this video. If you have not done so, but if you have, you are a real one. I fucks with you. But yeah, y'all. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got. We finna get some food, but I'm gonna show y'all what I got. And yeah, I'll see y'all when we get to the house. So guys, we are on our way to my family's house so my son can see his blood cousin. So we're gonna chill over there. So some things has been changed. I am gonna wear on a t-shirt, like I said, because I'm still saving. And next weekend, that's when I'm going to get the flowers and the balloons, because that's the only two I'm gonna have left to give her. I'm gonna give her a flower pot so she can put something in it and let it grow, whatever. I'm gonna try to make it match with the theme. As y'all can see, it's Pokemon, so y'all just stay tuned. Alright, so I'm gonna be fixing up my spark plug. One of my spark plugs is messed up, so I gotta fix it. And then I gotta fix my brakes. So kind of working on my car right now. I saw this video, is crazy as everywhere. I think I might be done with the stuff for the party, except for the the sweets and stuff. Cause you know I gotta save it, whatever. But yeah, guys.
Yeah.
That's pretty much it. But I'll let y'all know if I come up with something else to get for the party. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. So guys, I am gonna put some more dang, I can't even speak, y'all. Hold on. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put some ease chills in here, and then I just want to make sure I got everything else that needs to be. I need to have a little bit more in there, but I got everything changed, y'all. Everything's good. So guys, I'm still fixing up my car. I'm definitely gonna need some more oil, and I need to change my oil too also. But I'm also go ahead and put some antifreeze in here. And I already put, y'all already seen what I did to this one. But yeah, all I gotta do after I put this in, all I gotta do next is get a change my oil and put some new oil in, which yeah, I don't know if I want to do that today or tomorrow, but yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing right now, just working on my car and making sure it's good. So yeah. Should be enough. Set this bar right here, so it's pretty good. What's up, guys? Today is May the 9th. We have 4 more days until the party. So today we're just gonna do a little bit of shopping. I want to get a bubble spinner machine. Well, it's called a bubble blaster spinner, but y'all get what I'm saying. I need just a little one to put in a house, because it's supposed to be raining on the 13th. It's supposed to be raining. So we probably want to do the piñata. So today I wanted to get the machine, the bubble machine, and I need to get a vase for her because I want to give her some flowers. Virgil, what kind of flowers should we get her? It's gotta be either yellow or blue, because it gotta match Pokemon theme. So which one should we do? Yellow or blue flowers?
Yellow.
Yellow? At first when I asked you, you said blue. But that's just because that's Ryan's favorite color. Y'all, he like Ryan's world, and his favorite color is blue. So, his favorite color is blue too. And at first he said blue, now he's saying yellow. So you sure we should do yellow?
Mm-hmm.
You positive?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're gonna give it. So guys, my camera was full storage. But like I was saying, so are you sure you wanted to get yellow flowers instead of blue flowers?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, because you going to give it to her, okay?
Okay.
You going to give it to her. But don't tell her, okay? It's going to be a surprise.
Okay.
Y'all don't tell her either. Because I know how my family is. But don't tell her, okay? It's going to be a secret. It's going to be a surprise. So.
What surprise? Like the flowers.
Yeah, you're going to give the flowers to her. You're going to give the flowers to her. Not me. I'm going to be giving the gifts to her. So. You're just going to give her the flowers.
Okay.
But yeah, guys.
I'm gonna give it
That's
to
pretty much
you.
what we're going to be doing. I might get like a little vase. Go Dollar Tree. Get a vase. No.
No, I'm thirsty.
Go Dollar. Hold on. Go Dollar Tree. And get a little vase for her. Probably decorate it. Get a ribbon, something, and put it around the vase to make it a little cute. And I'm gonna wait until Saturday on a day that we supposed to be meeting my family. But yeah, I'm gonna buy the flowers on the on Saturday, so that's gonna have to wait. Give me this. But yeah, guys. I also gotta go to Walmart. And get the bubble machine. So, yeah. And that's pretty much it for today. And yeah, I'm just going to wait on the other things that I wanted to give her. I'm just going to have to wait on it. Like the shirt that I wanted to make for her. I'm going to have to wait on that. I found, hold on baby, I am talking. Stop being annoying. Get back. Sit down. Sit down. Anyways, guys, yeah, I found these cupcakes that match the thing, but the cupcakes used to have like a ring on a cake, whatever the theme that you wanted to, you know, be, whatever. So that's the only problem I have with the cupcakes. It doesn't have the rings on top of the cupcakes, but the colors do match with the Pokemon thing. So y'all will be seeing that. But I will be posting this video before the 13th, so I can do another video with y'all with this. It's a get ready with me to the party. So it's gonna be a little separate, so stay tuned with that. If you had not liked this video, please like this video, and subscribe. Comment down below what other videos you think I should do. I am going to be doing a video of me rating. I do want to go to 2 restaurants of me rating, like go to at least no good restaurant and a very good restaurant, if that makes sense, and rate them. I do want to do that. Stop that. I do want to do that. Hold on, y'all. Sorry guys, I had to handle some business with my son. Sorry y'all, I'm stuttering too, cause I am stressing. I'm stressing. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm stressing, and yeah, I just got a lot of things to do. I got a lot of things that I need to wait on, that I don't want to wait on, but that's a whole different story. Anyways, y'all, so again, comment down below what other videos y'all want to see. And yeah, keep watching. Yeah, I'm so tired. Something wrong with my car, and comes to find out that I need a new alternator. So I can't do what I need to do for the birthday party right now until I fix my car. I'm fixing my car right now. So I can see my hands are dirty. I did cut myself right here, but I'll be okay. But yeah, I'm just fixing up my car right now, and getting a new alternator. Hopefully I get this done before Saturday. Today is, dang, what's today? Dang. Today is either Thursday or Friday. I think today's Thursday, y'all. Let me check. Dang, today is Friday. I thought today was Thursday. But yeah, guys, this is crazy, and I don't know what to say for real. Like I'm having car troubles at the wrong time. But you gotta do what you gotta do. But I'll see you in a little bit. Yo, y'all see what time it is? I'm fucking tired. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. My whole body hurt. I got this cut right here. My hands still dirty a little bit. I thought I gotta take me a shower. I didn't even get to do what I really wanted to do today, so I might have to do it tomorrow or just deal with what I got. But I finally got my car fixed. Y'all, it took so long, but I got it though. I'm so exhausted, y'all. I'm so tired. My legs hurt, my arms hurt. It's crazy, but yeah, I'm gonna go here. My stomach is growling. My stomach been growling. I have not ate at all today. Well, yesterday, since it's 12 o'clock now. It's literally Saturday. But today is the day that I'm gonna have the party. I was supposed to be posting this video before today, but as y'all can see, my car was you know, got messed up, whatever. So I made some changes. But it still will be like a separate video. So I'm gonna go ahead and post this for you guys tonight. And I'm gonna get the rest of what I needed tomorrow. So I'm just so exhausted, y'all. I can barely talk, but I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please like this video if you have not done so, and subscribe. If you made it through this video all the way to the end, you are a good one, and I love you for it. But I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out here, and yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and post this for y'all. So I will see y'all very, very, very soon, because I gotta make a whole new video tomorrow, well today. So yeah, see y'all in a little bit.